test, or ukual quazini, is a culturally significant ritual assessing young women's virginity, marking their readiness for womanhood. Conducted annually during the Reed Dance Festival, it involves elder women examining participants who voluntarily present themselves. The practice emphasizes values like chastity and cultural pride, fostering community unity. However, it faces controversy over privacy and consent issues, yet remains a meaningful celebration of Zulu identity for many. The Reed dance, known as the Umemulo, holds significant cultural and social importance for the Zulu girl child. It is an annual ceremony celebrated in South Africa, where young women gather to present reeds to the Zulu king, symbolizing